Hi, good evening. Welcome to Easy Money. This is CA Rudramurthy, author, trader, and trainer, coming with post market report. Today, the most important news was RBI Governor announcing a whopping 50,000 crore of term liquidity facility. And this one news of RBI Governor announcing a 50,000 crore rupees worth of term liquidity resulted in huge upsurge of especially health related stocks, that means pharma stocks. If you see Lupin, it was up 12% and Sun Pharma was up 6% for the day. Even stocks like Arbindo Pharma and many pharma stocks from the front line gained a huge up move. And let me tell you clearly, Shaktikant Das told the governor of RBI that we don't want to give moratorium of 3 months, which was mostly and widely expected by market. Rather, he said, we will give a push to health infrastructure, and he told banks to lend for this health related infrastructure, and especially for small organizations related with health infrastructure, they gain because of this liquidity push which he has given worth 50,000 crore. Also, let me tell you the active COVID cases, especially in the market, there were rumors that yes, we are already coming down because of strict lockdown and seal down. But however, today the cases which came morning was at 3,82,000. But because there was no moratorium announcement, market took this information of RBI governor who gave 50,000 crore worth of short-term liquidity push a positive move, and we could see today Nifty, Bank Nifty and Sensex, everything on the upside. In fact, today Nifty was up 121 points, closing at 14,617, and Bank Nifty was up over 500 points at 32,783. Sensex was also up around 424 points, closing at 48,677. And let me tell you, in the pre-analysis of market report given in your Easy Money today, I gave you a recommendation to go long on Canara Bank, and Canara Bank achieved its target. Also, Tata Chemical was the weakest stock. Even in a positive market like today, the stock was on the downside. Also, let me share to you a very brief chart analysis of Tata Chemical, and this I'm introducing so that every fresher can also look at charts, learn it through this Easy Money, and do not forget to click the notification button, subscribe, and forward this to as many people as possible so that you learn even chart analysis absolutely free through this Easy Money. Now, let me just tell you, I'm using trading platform and showing you the chart of Tata Chemicals. And if you see the Tata Chemical chart, which is just coming to you on the screen, I can definitely see a chance of this stock further showing weakness, and crucial levels and crucial supports are broken by Tata Chemical. So let me just show the chart to you on Tata Chemical and share you the screen, and let me just give you a fast look into Tata Chemical. So I'm just going to trading view, and here I'm picking Tata Chemicals. So if you see the chart of Tata Chemicals, you can see last 2 days this stock had a clear sell-off. Now I want you to watch this very carefully, and here we go. See this last 2 days on Tata Chemical. Let me just put this to your reference. and you can see here that it has broken crucial 20-day moving average level, and this was somewhere at around 765. Now having broken this, last 2 days including today, you can see sell off happening and see the huge rise in volumes. Also, let me tell you, if someone can understand this pretty well, you also have a formation which we call as a head and shoulder formation. Now watch this formation carefully. You can definitely learn technical patterns also, and let me tell you, this is what we call here as a head and shoulder pattern. This is your left shoulder, you have your head, and you have the right shoulder, and prior move is an up move. Now there is this head and shoulder formation, and neckline, the crucial neckline comes closer to 690. So watch this crucial support and neckline of 690. If we break decisively 690, then measure the height of the head. So if you see the height of the head, 690 to high of 833, so 140 points down from 690, so that will be somewhere close to 550 zone. So Tata Chemical, if it breaks the crucial support of 690, is headed towards 550, but then please wait for the break of this neckline, and a stop loss at the highs of this last 2-day candle is very, very important, and this high comes at around 758. So see the risk reward of this trade, and a positional short call can be instigated onto this. Now let me also share with you another very important chart check, that is BHEL. Look at today's BHEL chart, and I want each one of you to get this very clear. So this resistance line of BHEL was somewhere at around 57 rupees, and we have now clearly gone beyond this resistance line. So tomorrow, if we trade clearly beyond this resistance line, BHEL is further headed towards higher target. So if we see those higher targets, so one can look at targets closer to an initial target of around 75 to come, and furthermore higher levels are possible. And this stock, if you see, is trading clearly now above the 20-day moving average line, which is there here, and crucial resistance line if it breaks. And you see today's volume in BHEL, which is very, very positive. This was also recommended to our high net worth clients and also to participants of our course. And in last 2 days itself, BHEL for us has already given a whopping return of 15%, and this is the stock which is also available to you in F&O. So this is the benefit of understanding and learning the true technical analysis, which is also coming to you in this Easy Money show. And also let me tell you, today Dogecoin was up 30 to 40% just for the day, and it is up over 8,000% for this year. I've done a very special video on Dogecoin and whether should you invest or not in Bitcoin, and if you want to invest, what should be the ideal allocation. Look at Elon Musk, what is his allocation? All this information I've already posted. Do just see the video without fail in the list of videos which I've uploaded recently on the Dogecoin. And let me also tell you, the person who is considered to be one of the creators of this Dogecoin, what he did was, this person in the year 2015, he sold his Dogecoin for just $10,000. But today, the market capitalization of Dogecoin is 86 billion. He sold Dogecoin to buy a Honda car. But let me tell you, the Honda car, if you would have not bought, and if he would have continued his investment in Dogecoin, today he would have seen the market capitalization go skyrocket, and Dogecoin today's market capitalization is greater than the listed Honda company. Honda company today is just worth around a market capitalization of $55 billion, whereas the market cap of Dogecoin is $86 billion. Also, if you see today's market action, FIIs continue to be sellers. They have sold even today 1,110 crore, and DIIs have also sold 240 crore. So every rise is definitely seen as an opportunity to sell by FIIs. I'm sure today's post-market analysis of RBI governor's liquidity driven 50,000 crores extra push what he has given to infra, especially health infra, has resulted in pharma stocks to do well. And we have also seen that FIIs have been net selling. We have also seen charts in the form of going long on BHEL and looking at shorting opportunity in Tata Chemical. Do give your comments on this easy money program of yours, and what more additions you require, what more inputs you require, and what more chart learning you want. Don't forget to forward this to as many people as possible, so that all the effort what we take in providing this type of free video is benefited to each and everyone, and our effort is definitely recognized and appreciated. With that hope of you ensuring you join hands with me to spread this right financial literacy, wishing you all a good night, happy trading, signing off, Rudramurthy. See you all tomorrow with Easy Money pre-market report. Thank you.